Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to use Block Blast Solver app. Using the Block Blast Solver app is a great way to improve your gameplay and find the best moves easily. This app helps you solve tricky puzzles by showing step-by-step solutions so you can clear more lines efficiently. Here's how to use it. First, open the Block Blast Helper application on your mobile device. When it opens, tap on Continue to move forward. Here, you'll see a few options like Tutorial, Manual Input, and Screenshots. Start by tapping on Manual Input. Now, click or drag on the grid to set your initial blocks. You can input up to 3 figures such as 1, 2, or 3. Once you've added the blocks, tap on Get Solutions. The app will show you a few steps to help you clear more lines easily. After checking that, tap on Screenshot if you want to solve using an image of your game. Next, go back and tap on Tutorial if you'd like to see how the app works before using it fully. Now, open the original Block Blast game on your device and take a screenshot of your current game screen. Then, return to the Block Blast Helper app and tap on Screenshot again. Select the screenshot you just took, and the app will automatically show you the best steps to make your next move. Go back to your Block Blast game, follow the steps shown, and play the game. You can keep taking new screenshots and uploading them into the Helper app to get updated solutions as you play. This way, you can solve levels faster and play more efficiently using the Block Blast Solver app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.